Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about Carwow. Now, Carwow is one of my favorite channels right now that I'm watching. Matt is an absolute fantastic person. He's funny. He's just a perfect host to a channel.
What is the world coming to when even BMW has a soft limiter? Okay, Nick, let's hear your Merc. That's stop. You absolute.
He's coming to have a look.
I love it.
And one thing I notice all the time is they always advertise their own platform, which is, the Carwow service, which is, buy or sell your car on every single video. So that made me just create a video about that channel as a whole. So let's talk about it. So whenever I watch Carwow, so Carwow is actually a car buying and selling platform. That is where their main money is made. It is one of the smartest thing they've done to maximize returns using their YouTube channel, which currently sits at 9 million subscribers. Every day and week, they reach millions of people organically, and they're advertising their own product of no cost to them.
Want to sell your car quickly, easily, and for a fair price? Then head to Carwow to have over 4,000 trusted dealers ready to bid on it.
This is extremely powerful because 9 million subscribers, you've built a base audience, and then each video you create gets like 1 million, 2 million views easy. And then you use that audience to push towards your product as well. Like, you understand these people are going to buy cars. Like, everyone wants to buy a car. So why not just advertise in every single video you create about your platform? Like, you don't cater to monetization. I mean, they do monetize it still, because why not? If you have that option, you should. Because it pushes your video anyways, I've heard. But they don't necessarily, I'm pretty sure they don't care about monetization. They don't cater to sponsors or anything. I'm pretty sure they also get paid by like reviewing other people's car. But it's just a very smart strategy of just having your own product and building an audience around it. And we'll talk about this too in this document right over here. What they have built their audience around a product instead of the other way around. And I have this kind of like this visualization I asked ChatGPT to make. So as you can see, this is their product and this is people around their product. It's pretty simple. So I want to talk about what you've seen in the past. So what you've seen in the past is people try to build audiences and then come up with a product. So they build an audience and then they come up with a product, which comparatively won't work as well. If you just look at it logically, if you built an audience of 50,000 around a product, which means you've managed to attract a certain demographic of people to your page that suits your product or services, you have built an audience around the product, which is very good. Now, the reason I say it's different is because let's say you created a audience around, for example, I don't know, just like entertainment videos. Like Carwow is entertainment, but you just created around vlogs or something, but you didn't have a product. Now, all of a sudden, after 1 million, or let's say not even 1 million, let's say after 100,000 or 200,000 subscribers, you have a product, but very less people are going to, care about it, because I'll give you some reasons too. Some people might just feel like you're selling a product because now that you've built an audience, you're selling a product just to make more money. Like that just to make more money is going to annoy a certain amount of people. So let's say you don't care about that. Even after you grow your audience to a certain extent, it still won't sell as well because you haven't built it around your audience. So you have to make sure you're still creating content that grew your audience in the first place. So unless you are like Logan Paul level or, one of this KSI, Jake Paul level, you can come up with merch and sell that. That's fine. But I'm talking about like the majority of either smaller channels or upcoming channels. So this is why even if you have like 50,000 people who have been built around your product, that they know about your product, they know that they're going to be sold to, or they are semi-interested, you're going to have a higher volume of sales because of your smaller audience, because they know of your product. So what is the strategy? So what do you offer? Do you sell a product or service that doesn't require you being famous? I mean, being famous would be a good add-on, but it's not required. Start posting content around what you offer. If you sell a coaching program on teaching the next generation of web developers on how to scale past a certain revenue, talk about that. There is only one kind of demographic that would view that content, other web developers. Build a strategy and funnel that works best for you. This is an implementation after the two parts have been fulfilled. Get them to use your services. Don't be that guy who doesn't want to advertise too much. Let them know every single video that your services are there to help them. Don't be shy. Like, let them know every single video that your services exist. That is why you're creating content. You're not doing it from the good of your heart. Stop lying. Now, we talked about Carwow having control. Like, they don't care about monetization. They don't care if they get brand deals. It's simple logic. We have a lot of people who watch our content. We have a platform that may interest these people. Let's just direct the people who watch our content to our platform. That's that simple. Because Carwow is consumer friendly, their customer profile or their TAM is just unlimited. Their target audience market is unlimited. They could just sell to literally everyone. So even if they could go to 9 million, 10 million, 20 million, they will keep growing their platform. So for example, if you're a coach to web developers, your target audience market is limited. So you might just cap out at like 100,000 subscribers, but the profit you'll generate using that 100,000 subscribers is going to be much greater because you're selling a program that other developers might be interested in. Over here, I have they will let you know. There's always something in people when creating content, like they don't want to do much promotion. Carwow will let you know about their services every single video, every chance they get. Nothing wrong with it. So should you. And that is all. I wanted to use Carwow as an example of what strategies you should implement, not just on YouTube, just on every social platform in general. If you have a specific product or service you sell, which doesn't require you being famous, you can build an audience around it and just keep feeding them your services. Just keep reminding them. Book a call, sell them, and just keep repeating that process. That is all for today's video. Also, just wanted to mention, if you want to check out my newsletter, I send 5 very short emails a week. And as you can see, I've also talked about Carwow here. As it's very briefed, but it's a good morning read if you just, like reading your emails or something. And also, if you're a service-based business, you're looking to get your socials done right, want to use your socials to generate book calls, building funnels and all that, there's a link in the description, a Calendly link, book a call with me, answer some questions, and then we'll get in touch. I'll see you next time.